Designed for durability, your Von Duprin vertical rod exit device protects your building and the people who use it. To provide fire and life safety, the exit device must be properly adjusted. Vertical rod exit devices can come out of adjustment for a variety of reasons. Possible causes include physical abuse from heavy carts and equipment, weather and temperature changes, or improper installation. Your vertical rod may be out of adjustment if you find your door won't latch or relatch, your door is difficult to open, or there are drag marks from the bottom latch bolt on your floor surface. Keep in mind there may be other factors affecting your door's performance, such as frame alignment or hinge wear. Before you check the concealed vertical rod device for proper adjustment, confirm the ratchet release housing is present. Without it, the device will not operate properly. To determine if your device is out of adjustment, look to see if both the top and bottom latch bolts are held retracted when the door is opened and fully extended when the door is closed. Adjusting the rods is simple when you follow the steps we are about to show you. Only a few basic tools are required. A small Phillips screwdriver, a medium Phillips screwdriver, a small stepladder, and something to prop the door open. It's important to check the operation of the top latch first, because it controls the operation of both the top and bottom latches. We will begin by disengaging the bottom rod. First, prop the door open. Remove the center case cover. Then remove the bottom rod set screw, the locking clip, and the rod adjusting screw. Be careful not to drop these items into the door. You will need to reinstall them later. Check the top of the door to determine if the top latch bolt is fully retracted. It should be flush with the top of the door. Next, check for full latch bolt extension. Leaving the door propped open, cycle the latch manually by releasing it from its retracted position. Do this by pushing your Phillips head screwdriver into the ratchet release opening. The latch bolt should be fully extended. If the latch bolt does not fully retract or fully extend, the top rod needs to be adjusted. To begin the adjustment, remove the top set screw in the exposed center case mechanism. Then remove the locking clip. Now look for the top rod adjusting screw. Using the small Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the top adjusting screw in a clockwise direction to shorten the rod length, or in a counterclockwise direction to make it longer. Once you have adjusted the top rod, replace the locking clip and set screw. Check the top latch again to see if it fully retracts and fully extends. Do this by manually cycling the door using the ratchet release opening. You may need to repeat this process a few times until the rod is properly adjusted. When you are satisfied that the top latch is working as it should, continue to the bottom rod. Reattach the bottom rod by reinserting the bottom rod adjusting screw, the locking clip, and the set screw. Be extra careful so you don't drop these parts inside the door. With the door propped open, cycle the door manually again. Check the top latch to confirm that it fully retracts and extends. Then check the position of the bottom latch bolt. Ideally, the bottom of the latch bolt should be flush with the bottom of the door. If it extends more than 1/16 inch below the bottom edge of the door, you will need to adjust the bottom rod. To adjust the bottom rod, go back to the center case and remove the bottom set screw and locking clip. Next, locate the bottom rod adjusting screw and, using the small Phillips head screwdriver, turn it counterclockwise to lengthen the rod or clockwise to shorten the rod. Once you have made the adjustment, reinsert the locking clip and set screw. Cycle the door manually again. Always check the top latch first to verify it retracts and extends properly. With the top latch adjusted, check the bottom latch to see if it is also fully retracted. Again, you may need to repeat these steps a few times to get the rod adjusted into the proper position. Once you've completed the rod adjustments, replace the center case cover. Cycle the door 2 to 3 more times, checking both the top latch and bottom latch on each cycle to ensure the rods are accurately adjusted and the door is operating properly. That's all there is to adjusting the Von Duprin 9899 series concealed vertical rod exit devices. For more information or assistance, call our customer service line at 877-671-7011.